Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, Blue Hand Drawing, we are going to draw today a nice vegetables named cabbage. So first we are going to draw the outlines. As you see, we are going to draw a circle, not so smooth but little wrinkled circle. As you know, this vegetable, it's a round shaped vegetable and almost uniform from all the sides. Alright, so the circle is done. Then let's draw the leaves at the outside of this vegetable. Another few leaves here, as you can see, on top, and this is empty part. Okay, so you can see the leaves here. Now the leaves which is circling all over the body, it's like doing a package. We're putting the thickness in the drawing. So let's outline and draw another line parallel to the previous one, like this. As you know, lots of leaves surround the whole body of the cabbage, so that's why we can see some stubs. The structure of the leaves, it looks like this. One harder thick line in the middle, and the branches comes to the side. We're going to do the few details later. First we're drawing the outlines, so stay tuned with the drawings. Don't leave the or skip any points so that you can miss any important steps as we suggest during the drawing. Follow all the steps and practice on your own. The more you practice, it's going to be more perfect as you do again and again. So it's all about the details of the leaves for the cabbage, because it's all the things you see is leaves. Few details for the outwards leaves here. Okay, so this is the basic structure. As you see, I have drawn the outline. Now we are going to put the shades for each part. Because it's a circular shape vegetable, so the deepest and darker color will be to the border side of the vegetable, and you can put the strokes like me as you see in the drawing. Please observe and watch the process of shading. Alright, first we are going to put the shades all over the circle as we have drawn previously. So the more deeper shades at the bottom part and at one side of the drawing, because the light source is on the other side and it's coming. The lighter side would be to the front side of the light source, and the darker side would be against the light source. That's the basic theme of drawing. Alright, so few outlines on the other side too. It's going to separate the each segments from one with another. All right, now we're working on the periphery. After putting the light shades, as you see I'm doing here right now, then we're going to outline the border a little deeper and a depth. So we're going to put the depth in each segment to make it more visibly pleasant. Let's separate the each branch from the other one with these strokes. So the shades is going to be visible in one side only. The other side is the top part on the previous one. That's why there's comes a lighter color. The more details you do on the drawing, the more it becomes lively. Keep putting on hatches like me. Alright, so the basic shading is almost done. Now we're going to put the light green color for all over the lips. Let's put the color here. The cabbage is one of the most universal fruits. So vegetables, it's a vegetables universal. After putting the color on the vegetables, it's becoming more natural. Color provides and it sketches the realistic outlines, as you can see here. but the level and depth of color to be determined as per your need. Excessive or too much of anything isn't good for the outlook of your drawing. So while using any color or any pattern, you can use only whatever you need, that part only. Don't put anything excessive. Okay, so the lighter color is already done. We can put few dark strokes along the outlines. So follow the process as I'm doing right now. So previously I've seen that I have put some deeper shades to the borders of each outlines. I told you it's going to be make separate the each segment from the other one. Now again we are going to draw a few colors, add few colors to the previous strokes, doing a little more details. As we like to make the drawing more nice. So the border outline is almost complete. As you see, the drawing is in its great outlook. If you like, you can put it on the ground and do the strokes like me. In this case, you can use the crayon color. As you see, the purpose of using the crayon colors is because it takes less time to complete the whole ground, and it needs less detail. It needs less details, as you see here. So you can see that the cabbage is on the ground. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Stay with us. Next we are going to bring more interesting vegetables and more interesting drawings. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.